Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitch stream lag on your Twitch app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Twitch app. So all you have to do, just go down, you click here on settings here, then it's going to take us here in this window, and all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps, then it's going to take us here in apps window, then you just go down here to looking for Twitch app. So just keep going down here and you click here on Twitch, then it's going to take us to next window here, then you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK, then you go down here, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store here, you will click, then it's going to so you search here for Twitch, it's going to show for you like this, you will find here update, so just click on update and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.